Psalm 96. O sing unto Yahuwah a new song. Sing unto Yahuwah all the earth. Sing unto Yahuwah, bless his name. Show forth his salvation from day to day. Declare his glory among the heathen, his wonders among all people. For Yahuwah is great and greatly to be praised. He is to be feared above all Elohim. For all the Elohim of the nations are idols, but Yahuwah made the heavens. Honor and majesty are before him. Strength and beauty are in his sanctuary. Give unto Yahuwah, O ye kindreds of the people, give unto Yahuwah glory and strength. Give unto Yahuwah the glory due unto his name. Bring an offering and come into his courts. O worship Yahuwah in the beauty of holiness. Fear before him all the earth. Say among the heathen that Yahuwah reigneth. The world also shall be established, that it shall not be moved. He shall judge the people righteously. Let the heavens rejoice, and let the earth be glad. Let the sea roar, and the fullness thereof. Let the field be joyful, and all that is therein. There shall all the trees of the wood rejoice. Before Yahuwah, for he cometh. For he cometh to judge the earth. He shall judge the world with righteousness, and the people with his truth.